Dagobah. No, I'm not going to change my mind about this. Massive life form meetings, though. There's something a lot down there. Yes, I'm sure it's perfectly safe for droids.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking.
Saw 11 inches of snow. Rainfall for yesterday actually set a record. Our month to date is over an inch.
Do you guys realize how much hair is all over the floor because of you?
Do you care? Do you care that there's hair all over the floor because of you, Lily Bear? You don't care?
So baby has gone down for a nap. This is now my window to do a little bit of grocery shopping today. We have nothing in the house to eat. Nothing. There's nothing. I think we're eating crumbs off the floor. Here comes the second scoop. Here it comes. Nom, nom, nom. Ooh, man, you sneezed all over the camera, baby. It's 2:15 and we're just now leaving TC's from having breakfast. I didn't stutter. It's been one of those days where there's been no hurry to do anything. So we're here to see the Butterfly Wonderland, which is basically just a big greenhouse with butterflies.
No. Okay, great. Thank you so much.
As much as I want to make fun of this place, it's actually really cool. There's tons of stuff, and Allie loves it. She loves it. She just can't stop staring at everything. It looks like there's like a bunch of bats flying around. It looks like a bunch of birds.
What are you talking about?
Just this couple that's right on the other side of this bush, she's wearing all pink. He's right next to her. My parents went to Hawaii and all I got was molested by my neighbor. It says that.
We are transferring power from Washington, D.C., and giving it back to you, the people. We take Gotham from the corrupt, and we give it back to you, the people.